Dear children, today we will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the new topic, that is finding the lowest term. Okay, that I will explain. And finding the lowest term of a fraction, right? And a fraction in the lowest term when the only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. When only we can say the fraction is in the lowest term, their common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. Then that fraction is called what? Lowest term. That fraction is in the lowest term. Don't worry children, I will explain it later with the problem, then you will understand it nicely. Okay, and one more is, we can also reduce a given fraction into its lowest term by finding the HCF, right? What is HCF? Highest common factor, that you studied in the last chapter, right? Is it? And you know how to find HCF also, right? You need to do what? When you are getting one question, write the fraction in the lowest term. Then you want to do what? You need to find the HCF of the numerator and denominator. Then you will get one highest common factor. After that you need to divide numerator and denominator by that HCF. You will get what? The lowest term of that fraction. Is it clear children? Is it difficult? No. And you want to understand like this, how can we get the lowest term of a fraction? Lowest term means what? When only we can say one fraction is in the lowest term? The common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. When only 1 will come, at that moment that fraction is in the lowest term. In how can we find it in the, how can we do it in the lowest term? How can we reduce it into lowest term? There is one method, that is finding the HCF of numerator and denominator. After that we need to divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF. You will get what? The lowest term of that fraction. All these are very, very important. You need to understand it and study like that. Okay, I will explain with the problem, then you will understand. Reduce the following fractions into its lowest term. I told you what? How can you get the lowest term? First we need to find what? I told you. That is HCF. And I need to find HCF. HCF I need two numbers for finding HCF, right? How can I get two numbers? One is from the numerator and the other one is from the denominator. Did you remember that HCF? I will show you like this. 2. HCF of 2 is what? I will write. What are the factors of 2? 2 into 1. And 6. What are the factors of 6? By division method you can do it. 2, 3 and 3, 1. And which are the factors? 2 into 3. Okay. Into 1 also, right? Okay. And which are the common factors? 2. Here is 1. And HCF is what? HCF of two numbers 2 and 6 is what? That you studied in the last chapter, but I want to tell you one more time, that is 2 into 1. Answer is 2. Now I got HCF of 2 and 6. After that I need to do what? Divide the numerator and denominator by which number? 2. That is the common factor, right? That's why I can divide 2 by 6 is our fraction. I need to divide 2 by HCF 2 and 6 by HCF 2. Answer is what? 1 by 3. Lowest term is what? Lowest term of 2 by 6 is what? Lowest term is what? 1 by 3. Is it difficult children? No. I will tell you one more time. First you need to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. That you studied in the last chapter. Then HCF is what? 2. You got HCF is 2. Then after that you need to divide numerator and denominator by that HCF. 2 by 2, 6 by 2. You will get 1 by 3. That 1 by 3 is the lowest term of which fraction only 2 by 6. Is it clear? Okay. And see, the common factor between numerator and denominator is what? 1 only. That is also, then we can say it is in the lowest term. Okay. And the next one, 4 by 8. 4 also, And you can do it in division method. I will do it simply only, right? What are the factors of 2 into 1? 4. Okay. And 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Is it correct? You can do it by division method. I didn't do it like that. And I wrote all the factors. The same factors only you get it from the division method also. Okay. And the common factors are 2. 1 more 2. Then 1. HCF is what? HCF is 2 into 2 into 1. That is 4. Is it clear? After that I need to what? I need to make lowest term only here, right? How can I do? Numerator and denominator by this HCF. Then what is that? 4 by 8 is our fraction. I need to divide 4 by HCF. 8 by HCF. I will get what? 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 is known as what? Lowest term. Lowest term of which fraction? 4 by 8. Is it clear? Okay. All are easy in maths, but you need to give 100% concentration for that, right? Then only it will be easy for you, right? And 6 by 8. HCF is what? First 6. You know what are the factors of 6? 2 into 3 into 1. Then 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. And common factors are 2. Then nothing is there, 1 only. HCF is what? 2 into 1, that is 2. After that I need to, how can I make it into lowest term? Divide 6 by HCF. 8 by HCF. I will get what? 3 by 4. Is it? Is it clear? It is called what? Lowest term. Lowest term of what? Lowest term of which fraction? 6 by 8. Is it clear? Okay. Then 6 by 9. 6 by 9. Factors of 6 by 9. 6 is what? 2 into 3 into 1. 6. And 9 is 3 into 3 into 1. And common factors are what? This 3 and this 1. HCF is what? 3 into 1. That is 3. After that my question is what only? Make it into lowest term. So I need to divide 6 by 9 by which number? By 3. 6 by 3 and divided by denominator also by HCF. I will get what? 2 by 3. That is called what? Lowest term. Okay. Okay. 2 by 3. Then next one is 12 by 18. 12 is what? 2 into, again 2 into 1. That is, 18 is what? How can we write 18? That I will do it by division method. 2. 2 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1. Division method, right? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, then common factors are what? 2 2 common, then 3 3 common, then again 1 1 only, right? HCF is what? HCF 2 into 3 into 1. That is what? 6. 12 by 18. I need to divide numerator and denominator by HCF. 12 by 6 divided by 18 by 6. Which answer I got? 2 by 3. Is it? Okay. And Next one is 16 by 20, right? How can we write 16? We can do it fast. 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Then 20 is what? 20, 2, 10, then 2, 5, then 5, 1. Okay, then I need to write factors here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. Then 20 equals what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. 1 is the common factor. Then this 2 is the common. Only this much, children. Okay. Then HCF is what? We can take the common numbers in both only for HCF. 2 into 2 into 1. That is 4. After that, how can I make it lowest term? 16 by 4 divided by 20 by 4. I will get what? 4 by 5. That is called what? Lowest term. Okay. And thank you.